Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video, just one box today. It's a really big box, though. I'm not quite sure what's in it. But yeah, we're going to find out. I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I've been collecting a lot of series lately. The three main series that I've been trying to get are Star Trek, Star Wars, and Wonder Woman. Those are the three main kind of series I'm getting. I'm not sure if this is going to be any of those, but we'll find out. But it is definitely a lot of comics because it's a big box. And it is one and two bags inside. So we're going to find out what those two bags are. So I hit myself with the box. Okay, so just to get these things out sometimes a little challenging, but let's see what's inside. So this is obviously some collection that I bought. A lot of comics inside. And this is going to be a really cool one. It's just another collection that I bought. And it's actually a bunch of comics. So I worked out a really good deal on this. I think it was like 150 bucks for everything. And it's a series. It's a new series, a modern series. I heard they're going to make a Netflix show about it. It's called Beauty. And I actually read the comic series. I thought it was reasonable. It was not the best series I've ever written, that I've ever seen written, but I thought it was good. It was worthy of, it was a kind of a cool story. And here's the comic. So this is Beauty number 12. And this is Beauty number 1, like a variant copy, I think. And here's, I don't know why they didn't bag and border this, but this is actually Beauty number 1, the key issue. And they threw this in, I guess, showcase. And Beauty number 10. Now, the story behind Beauty is that, there's another one. Don't know why they didn't bag and border everything, but they arrived reasonably good. Beauty number 8. But the story behind it is that basically there's a virus that when you get the virus, you become beautiful. You look perfect. Any fat that you have on your body disappears. Your skin becomes clearer. I could use this virus myself. And your hair becomes fuller. So you look beautiful. So people actually go around trying to get the virus because, if you get it, you become really good looking. And however, there's a secret to this virus that people don't realize, that it will kill you. You'll combust one day and you'll die. You'll basically burn from the inside and die. So there's these two police officers that are trying to solve the mystery of the virus, and that's really the whole series. So it was kind of it's a cool series. There's Beauty number 7. So this is like the whole set of them, and this is this one actually is getting a bit of price to it. The other ones have kind of lost their value, but this one has gone up a bit. This is sort of the variant issue of number 1. And number 14. So this is the complete set of Beauty, but there's more actually inside here, just not that one series. I got a whole bunch of other things from the same person, all for the, as I said, for I think it was like 100 bucks, 150 bucks for everything. Another series that I kind of like these sort of sexy comics. This is called Tarot of the Black Witch, a Black Rose. It's kind of a interesting series. Not the greatest, but I like the artwork. And then the Beauty number 20, Beauty number 21. So there's a lot in here. I wish they would bag and board them all, but Beauty number 13. They should really have bagged and boarded everything, but they didn't. And that's a little disturbing to see that. But I guess when they sell it cheaply, you get you get what you pay for. And this is Beauty. I'm not sure what this is, which number this is. Beauty number 18. Okay. And I think this one got a little bit of a corner ding. Beauty number 16. And Beauty 25. And oh, this is another, just I kind of wanted to get some of these kind of cool, weird issues. This is Dead Sonya. I thought it might be interesting. I don't know what it was. Yeah, sexy girl covers. Okay, and that's that one. Still a lot more to go through here. This is actually pretty, there's a lot of comics in this order. So hope this is interesting. I'm not sure how if you guys like the modern stuff. This is all modern comics. So these are all I don't know why they didn't bag and board any of this stuff. And I just want to move some stuff over here so I can put these down flat. Okay, I just don't want to mangle them. So yeah, this is Dark Crossings, kind of like Laura Croft kind of style comic. Dark Crossings. Another Beauty number 2. Beauty number 4. Beauty number 5. Beauty number 3. Beauty number 6. And I'm not sure why this is, I don't remember ordering this one, but Lockjaw Dog Days number 1. Or maybe this was thrown in. I don't remember ordering that one. And Fables. Okay, so this is another one that was thrown in, maybe, because I didn't necessarily order that one. So they might have given me a couple extra free comics, because there was a little bit of a mix-up at the beginning, and he said he was going to throw in some extra stuff. So those might have been extra ones. So really good vendor. I mean, considering the price, it was already at a good price, and then he threw in some extra stuff just to be nice. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So let's see if I can get this other bag open. I just wish, instead of throwing in extra stuff, I wish he had bagged and boarded everything. It just means that I have to worry about condition. Okay, so this is the last bundle. This is another big bundle. So let's see what's inside of here. Okay, so there's a bunch of bundles in here. It's like packs within packs, so just gotta bear with me a bit. So this is all, these are all from JC Comics. So, okay. So more Tarot, Witch of the Black Rose. This is number, I forget what number this is. It's probably 111. Okay. Another Dead Sonya. I'm not sure what this series is. I just thought it sounded funny, so I was curious about that. Beauty number 27. Beauty number 28. Beauty number 29. Beauty 26. Beauty 19. And Dead Sonya, this is another, like I got all the variants, so this is Dead Sonya #1 still, just another variant. It says $10, but I think I paid $10 for the whole set. So just to give you, I didn't pay that much for these. So yeah, Dead Sonya. I just thought the covers were kind of funny, and then another Dead Sonya, another cover, just another variation of #1. I think the price is really funny, if you can see, $6.66. That's kind of funny. Okay, so that's that stack. 2 more stacks to go. Some more tarot. Some more fun stuff in here. Okay. So tape is not coming off. Okay. So tarot 114. Okay. Bit of a adult cover there, but oh well. Let's see. Okay, one sec here. And tarot. Oh, this is the 1 in 10 variant. What tarot? I forgot what number 113. Cool. And tarot 112. Kind of a sexy cover. Okay, and then I got some kids comics as well. I collect a lot of cartoon comics. So the ones I'll show you next are from a cartoon. So kind of a weird mix, like cartoon and then some sort of sexy girl cover. So kind of an interesting mix of comics. So Incredibles. This is the first series of Incredibles. Incredibles #3. Incredibles #4. And let me see if I can get the other Incredibles out of this bag. Bag's giving me a little bit of trouble. Okay. Yeah, got it. Wow. Okay, so and Incredibles #2 and Incredibles #1. So that's the full set of comics. So pretty good for, like, you know, as I said, it was about 150 bucks for like over 50 comics. So not too bad. So yeah, some pretty cool series. I really like these Incredibles ones. I was a big fan of the first movie. Second movie I wasn't as keen on. There was a few cute scenes in the movie, but I really liked the first Incredibles. Yeah, so I kind of like to get their comic appearance. That's how I collect. I collect a lot of any show that I like or I think I might like. I will generally try to get the comic for. So that's generally my collecting method. It's maybe not the best collecting method, but that's what I like. I buy what I like, and I buy comics that I think will be fun. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned. There's some more unboxing videos coming up in the days ahead. And check out my different videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's something you want me to discuss on this channel, please tell me in the comments, and I'll try to bring it up. Okay, thanks for watching.